Queen Nefertiti was one of ancient Egypt's most famous and influential queens. She lived during the 14th century BCE and was the great royal wife of Pharaoh Akhenaten. Here are a few key facts about her. Name meaning: Nefertiti means, the beautiful one has come. Power and influence: she ruled alongside Akhenaten during a unique period when the pharaoh introduced a monotheistic worship of the sun disk, Aten, replacing Egypt's traditional polytheistic religion. Artistic legacy: Nefertiti is best known for her iconic bust, discovered in 1912 in Amarna, which has become a symbol of ancient Egyptian beauty and artistry. Possible co-ruler: some historians believe she may have ruled as a pharaoh in her own right after Akhenaten's death, possibly under the name Neferneferuaten. Mystery: despite her prominence, her tomb has never been definitively identified, adding an element of mystery to her legacy.